How's it going, everybody? This is George from Vegas Must Try, and on this video we got to hang out with the daily Dropout crew and Big Daws, some really funny guys. You may have seen their videos somewhere on the internet.
What's up, guys? Welcome to BigDawsTV. Tonight I'm going to be at Oracle Arena pretending to be Klay Thompson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
It's good to see someone from the basketball team.
Yeah, man. You gonna watch our game tonight or what?
What we got, sir?
Hey. Here's for warm up.
Oh, look at you! Come on, man. You living shit.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bet you $5 I'll chug this. You owe me $5 now.
No, 108, please.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Someone was like, hey, I'll give you X amount of dollars if you send me pictures of your feet.
Done it before.
Right now? Yeah, you won't hit me right now.
And in this video, they weren't actually pranking anyone, but we were eating at the Still inside the Mirage. It is a really cool sports bar with really great food, really good beer selection, perfect place to come catch a game or just come pregame right before the club. So check this video out.
Got some chips and guac, some chips and salsa. A little test. Amazing.
All right, guys, we got some sliders on the table with some delicious fries right now. Rito, what you thinking?
Freaking ready.
Yes,
You want one like that? Oh, got a real nice taste to it. Nice and grilled, juicy, authentic, juicy, phenomenal. Phenomenal.
That sauce got a good bite. Really good. I don't even like onions. I like it.
it's really good.
We just got done eating at the Still. Crazy food, amazing beer selection, you know, everything is fresh, everything is so good, amazing customer service, but, you know, it's a Friday night and we can be at the bottom of the 15 with the Dodgers and Boston game, so we have to go check out other things, so stay tuned. We're about to get into One Oak. Unfortunately, they'll let me take my camera in there, so I'm putting it back in the car, and I'm out of breath because I just went up like 5 sets of stairs, so until next time, peace.